Hi, I'm Jack from Achevas. We share about math in Singapore and how we can learn it meaningfully and masterfully. Here's an analogy for you. When we learn math in our secondary school, it is akin to learning how to swim in a swimming pool. We adjust and adapt to experience buoyancy and breath control. We learn the various strokes and practice hard if we intend to get competitive. However, the environment is very controlled. It is very predictable. That's how the learning journey is largely when it comes to learning O-level additional math. Since we are able to anticipate a certain level of predictability in the exam questions, once we are familiar enough with the syllabus and content, all we need to do is to focus on practicing hard, and most of us should then start to be able to excel in exams. However, when we move on to A-level H2 math, we need to adjust and adapt in a major way. A-level H2 math feels like coming out of that swimming pool and then trying to swim in the open water. The strokes may still be almost similar, but the environment is way more unpredictable. We won't be able to know when is the next wave and how it is going to be coming at us. Will we be encountering riptide, or maybe there's even sharks in the water? So what we need is super stamina and versatility, since the water is no longer going to be bounded by four walls. In A-level H2 math, it won't be realistic to be expecting your tutors to be giving you a playbook or a set of instructions. We must learn to be adaptive so that with both theory and practice under our dive belt, we are better able to react to any curveball that is going to be coming at us during the exams. So let's start improving our A-level math performance by changing first our mindset. On top of learning well from our tutors and practicing hard to build that strong foundation, we should challenge ourselves to independently perform situational exploration and analysis based on the actual problem that is right in front of us. A few good ways that we can achieve this is: number one, delay looking at a full solution when you are trying to solve math problem, because this will give you that sufficient time to think independently and adjust your perspective. And then number two, if you were to need some hints, don't get that from your solution, but try to get that hints from your school's notes or from any reference materials, for example, from the Achevas TV. And number three, instead of asking your tutor straight away, try to give yourself a chance to explore the question a little bit more. You will get stronger once you give yourself this kind of chances to experience the oncoming wave while you learn to stay afloat and on course. So start training, mathletes.